Good morning. I guess it's the crypto day morning, although I have discontinued doing those videos. I can put videos in and up whenever I want, as long as my computer is working, as long as I have internet. It's all good to go. Last night I uploaded a video, a bonus video, so this is a bonus to the bonus. Breakout pattern alert. Well, it did. Fast move. Breaking this resistance, piercing above this line, rising up to over 5,000. Now coming in and settling in very nicely amongst the Fibonacci level. Yeah, fast move to that level. Oh, most certainly. This is a 15-minute time frame. This thing got going at 30 minutes after midnight. Just a couple hours or so after I made my video yesterday, stating it was probably going to do this. And it was going to go right up there. And one of the things I mentioned was I'm not too confident of this level for resistance. It was. Yeah, short term, it already has been correct. But for this to be a long term level of resistance, it's got to do a lot more. And as I'm viewing this Bitcoin chart, we have that of this resistance and then coming down to here. And that's always going to happen within these markets. You have these wild moves. There's most certainly going to be profit takers. How could there not be? Especially when the dozens and dozens of people watched my video last night, and it wasn't that many. But there probably should be more. I don't like to toot my horn too much, but I kind of... The results just came through so far. But it's not over yet as it plays through. Because, as I mentioned, we should have resistance here. Again, we've already had it on the short term. 5 minutes. We could see the nice little higher lows. And I like even how the short term, this thing is looking very, very well. Because from this 5:35 a.m. High, a nice correctionary mode, which hit its bottom at 620 and really stayed within this range until about 825. Now it's 839. And I like just over the last 10 minutes how it is done, what it has done. As a trader, as I mentioned in my last video, I've already got 20% off of what I want to buy, but I'm looking for a better deal. I don't want to buy yet or sell this yet. I'm not too confident that it's just going to come right back down. I'm guessing it's either going to hover around in this area, at most, maybe pull down to like 45, 46 on the short run. I mean, who knows on that? I mean, it's resistance. It could come back, but I would think that it's either going to hang in with resistance, stay within this area, or it's going to continue accelerating. And over the next couple of days, we might have further acceleration to the next key level at $6,341.90, which is a more larger level. Because look at all this previous support and resistance that we had at this 5,000 level. Because, oh, well, let's just find it. I'm going to find support and resistance at the 5,000 level. Yep, see right in here. See, there was a little bit here of resistance in October of 2017. And there was a lot more back on September the 1st and the 2nd of 2017. And I'm just further amplifying the fact that it's just a mathematical Fibonacci level, and the number for what it represents is that of, well, the 98 is a 61.8. This is a 38.2. This is a 23.6% Fibonacci mark. And the 38.2 is a relatively decent one. Again, I would be having well, I guess it's not a surprise type moment if it goes up to that point. I'll be talking more about this later on in the afternoon when I do my longer afternoon video. Litecoin is sharing some of its gains as it's up to 69.3. I'm going to go over this very quickly. Against that of Bitcoin, it's already, wow, that was a decent move. That's a weekly chart, I guess. Does it? Yeah. Is this shared amongst other exchanges? I mean, I don't even have any Litecoin. I don't think I have any. No, I don't have any Litecoin buy orders. I just will buy it when the time is right because I like to have my Litecoin on my Trezor wallet. Yeah, that happened. Let's see what happened here. Yeah, this is a. I mean, it doesn't look like much happened here on the 5, but that's just its volatility. Well, this is 140 though. That's not the move. That's it. That's not the move. This is the move. 147. There's that fast move. So this is all before the whole Bitcoin thing started, and then the thing just had its play from that point on. So did Litecoin USD have anything of weird type of? No, no, no. It did not. Of course. But within this, it's obviously still a spectacular breakout. Because the one thing I noticed, the first thing I noticed when I woke up, the first chart that was on my screen already was DGB. It was under 300. I'm like, really? And the first thing I thought of, did what I just say really happen? And it did. As right now, it's down in percentile terms, and it's down not much, only 5.75%. But I'm seeing a whole bunch of these coins I got 8% down, 7% down. On my automated buy orders, I bought AidCoin, I bought Komodo. That's all I bought. Unfortunately, I didn't buy Doji. Oh my goodness, that was for. Oh, I guess my buy order was 51. Yeah, I mean, let's just see. I sold at 60 yesterday, and it's on Bittrex when I'm trying to buy. It's close. Oh, it's close. It's close. It's close. Oh well. Now I'm just gonna. This bid ask yeah, I'm just gonna keep it going on, but let's hope it hits the 51. So to me, this was a case of money being flowed into Bitcoin, and at least as of this time, not a good amount of it has been put into any altcoins, and thus still into Bitcoin. But that's what's the reason why I pointed that out yesterday is because I've seen it before. I've seen Bitcoin go up and all the other markets go down because of the fact Bitcoin goes up. Because their charts against the dollar barely go up or go sideways. And then I've also seen the situation where that happened and then thereafter the fact, all the altcoins go up. And Bitcoin just hangs in there doing not much at all. And that was a 2017 thing. So I really hope that happens. And time will only tell. It's 8:46 as I'm doing this now. In another hour from now, a little more, you will have your stock market, gold, and silver video. And then later on this afternoon, right around 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, Eastern Time, 4 o'clock Eastern Time, 1 o'clock Pacific, which would represent about 9 o'clock or so, 10 o'clock on the Atlantic coast on the European and African side, and about early in the morning on the Asia Pacific side. Take care and bye-bye.